Hey guys, it's Abby with In the Garage, and today we're taking a look at the XLT bed mat from BedRug, which is great if you're looking for some extra protection for your truck bed. The XLT mat has an all-new design with an integrated tailgate gap guard hinge that connects the bed piece to the tailgate. This eliminates the annoying buildup of debris for a cleaner truck bed and working area. It's made of a super tough polypropylene material for a slip and skid resistant surface. This gives you a flat working area as well as extra cushion for your knees when crawling in and out of the truck bed. It's padded 3/4 inches so you know you're getting great protection for your truck as well as comfort when you need it most. The XLT mat is fade and UV resistant, plus it won't absorb water. It's even chemical and stain resistant. Because they're made to fit your specific truck, you're getting the best contour, providing a smooth, void-free loading surface. Unlike with some bed mats, the XLT mat provides full access to factory tie-downs and 2-tier loading systems. It also accommodates all factory and aftermarket bed accessories like cargo management, bed extenders, bed covers, and more. Installing the BedRug XLT bed mat is a piece of cake. There are no special tools required, and it takes just minutes. The XLT mat from BedRug is made in the USA and backed with a limited lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase the XLT bed mat from BedRug or have it installed, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.